Hi guys, so today we are going to be baking bonnets. I made my own pattern which I'm going to show you. This is the medium size and these are, I think I got these papers at Home Depot, the ones that are used by painters, so that's an easy way to get your pattern papers. This is the large size and I'll show you the difference. This is for people with a lot of hair, like dreadlocks, braids. If you braid a lot and you have a full head of hair, this would be good for you because it's going to accommodate a lot.
The small size bonnet measures 14 inches wide by 27 inches long, and you're gonna cut it on fold your fabric. This was 1 yard, and cut it on fold like so. Then the larger piece is for the large size, and this measured 30 inches long by 17 inches wide. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle, so whatever you can do to get close.
So I'm back from the patio. I cut the satin part. I didn't want to bore you cutting all through every print, but that's what it should look like. So it's a big circle, and then I'm gonna join it with the African print circle. So same size. This is a medium size, so I'm gonna join this together. And what I'm gonna do is, if you're a beginner and you cannot eyeball stitching around, just make sure to pin your pieces together. It helps a great deal, especially when you're working with satin. Satin is very slippery, and you might find yourself, you know, stitching out of the stitch line or the expected seam allowance, and then you'll have some parts hanging, others, you know, well sewn together. So I'm gonna pin this, then take it to the machine.
After pinning right sides together, that's what it looks like. Make sure to leave a 2-inch space at the end there to turn your bonnet. So we're now turning right sides out. It's pretty easy. I'm trying to find my seam turner to make sure that I didn't leave any piece unstitched.
So after this step, we are going to now make a pocket for the elastic, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stitch another line, a second line over here. This could be around half an inch seam line or seam allowance, so like half an inch, and then stitch all the way around to create my elastic band pocket. So what I do is I take this and I kind of measure my head, and then I'll pull it in and out to see if it still has some enough stretch to go out. Then what I do is I'm just gonna cut it right here. Show you how I put through my elastic. And remember, we left a space here when we were turning this inside out, so that we can actually have room for putting in the elastic and out, and then we're gonna finally seal it.
Make sure to keep flattening your pieces so that you don't sew folds, because satin is very slippery. And now I'm gonna put my elastic through the safety pin and push through that elastic pocket like so. Finally seal that opening and you're done.
Ta-da! There you have it, guys. This is the final look. I love it. This is a medium. So the medium is sort of like a standard regular size, but the large is just slightly bigger to accommodate people with a lot of hair or long hair. So let me show you the difference. So you see where this falls. It falls like right on my shoulder there, and then it has plenty of space. Okay, so if you have short hair, this would be perfect for you. If you have long hair and a bigger volume, then you'd rock this, and you see there's still room to like accommodate more, and it still shapes to your skull, and it falls a little bit below the shoulder. Now stick around, because the next video I'm going to show you how I will be making this bonnet right here. Stay tuned and subscribe for more content. Love you.